Severe tropical cyclone Narelle is bringing heavy to intense rainfall, damaging to destructive winds and a dangerous storm tide to northwestern WA. I'm Christy at the Bureau and we're going to take a look at where the storm is right now. So severe tropical cyclone Narelle is just off the northwest coast of WA. We can see a very symmetrical storm. This means a very intense storm with a very clearly defined eye. And that eye is moving southwards, just skirting the northwest capes as it moves along the coast of WA. And it has brought very significant impacts to the northwest of WA so far this morning. In the last 12 hours, we've seen some wind gusts as high as 200 kilometres an hour at Learmonth, up to 163 kilometres an hour at Thevenard Island, 161 at Barrow Island, and Onslow has seen 150 kilometre an hour wind gusts. We've also seen some very significant storm tides at Exmouth and Onslow through the morning period. Now looking at our warning area, this orange area is our warning area. We are expecting the system to track in a southeasterly direction over the course of the day. It's expected to make landfall somewhere around Coral Bay, most likely in the middle of the day Western Australia time, and then make its way inland into the central west and eventually down into the southwest land division. It's likely to be a Category 3 as it moves past Carnarvon and Denham and approaches Kalbarri. As it moves further south, it will weaken to a Category 2 as it comes past Kalbarri and Geraldton, most likely becoming a Category 1 as it moves inland of Dongara. After that, it will drop below tropical cyclone strength as it moves across the southwest land division, eventually exiting Western Australia around tomorrow night, and that will be finally the end of tropical cyclone Narelle. Now, through this warning area, we are expecting to see damaging to destructive winds. Now, that is likely to be winds of 120 to over 200 kilometres an hour, and we may even see very destructive winds through northern parts, reaching 260 kilometres an hour. We're also likely to see heavy to intense rainfall that is likely to bring flooding, flash and potentially riverine flooding. We do also have flood watches out. And also we're looking at that dangerous storm tide. The storm tide is most likely on the northern side of the system as it moves southwards, so really most likely in the northern coastal parts of this warning area. Now, once the system is no longer a tropical cyclone, we won't be having tropical cyclone warnings, but it will still bring heavy rain and damaging winds as it moves through the southwest land division. So we're likely to see a severe weather warning issued for the southwest land division for tomorrow as the system moves through. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, initially we're going to see the heaviest rainfall today through the northwest of the area. Particularly looking at these purple and black areas, that's where we could see 150 millimetres or more. Notice also some showers and storms down in the southwest. Now this is not likely to cause significant impacts today. However, what it will do is pre-wet the catchments. So that will mean that is more likely that any heavy rain from tropical cyclone Narelle is more likely to cause flooding through these catchments that have already seen some rainfall today. So moving through tomorrow, that system will move southwards, dragging that heavy rainfall down through central parts and into the southwest of the state before leaving the state tomorrow night. So tropical cyclone Narelle is a very severe system at the moment. Category 4, we are looking at very significant impacts for the northwest. We are updating our forecasts every hour to keep you up to date with the latest movements and expected track. You can find that on our website or the BOM Weather app, and of course we'll keep you updated on our social medias. Make sure you follow all advice from your local emergency services. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next update.